Look at this gorgeous looking plate. Oh my god, so good.
Hi everyone. Today I am going to make this juicy and mouth-watering shrimp rice. This is going to be a very easy dish.
To make it, I am using the shrimp stock that I made in my last video. If you haven't watched it yet, here is the link that you might like to watch it before watching this. Because of the stock, this dish becomes awesome, so I really recommend it. Please watch this video until the end. If you like it, give a thumbs up. Subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get the all notifications from Pabs Kitchen. Let's get started. First, let's marinate the shrimp. For this, I have here 350 grams of shrimps already peeled and deveined. This is from half kilo of whole shrimps. Let's put on lemon juice, black pepper to your taste, and a few pinches of sea salt. Turn them over and do the same another side. I use around 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now let it marinate for at least 10 minutes. If you want to marinate for more time, cover it and keep it in the refrigerator. 10 minutes passed. I'm going to seal it. For this, I'm heating a pan in medium-high heat. 1 teaspoon olive oil in. After the oil is hot, add in all the marinated shrimp. We fry them 2 to 3 minutes. 1 minute passed. Turn them all over and cook another side a minute too. Then a bit more to give a beautiful color like this. Now take them all out and keep it aside. Next, to make the rice, I am using the same pan. If you want to change, it's up to you. The heat is still on in medium-high heat. Add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half cup finely diced onion, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, and 1 dried chili. Break and in. Stir them very well. Now cook it until they are transparent and loosen for around 2 minutes. Meanwhile, let me show you the rice I'm using. I'm using Caroline rice. It has a strong capacity to absorb the flavor, aroma and color of the ingredients. Very popular in Portuguese traditional gastronomy like Arroz malandrino dishes. Basically, you can use to cook this rice with other ingredients that you desire. It doesn't break and stays creamy. Let's get back. It looks perfect, see? Let's add in 1 cup rice, 200 grams, already washed. Stir it very well and let it fry 1 minute. After 1 minute, when all water dries like this, add in 1/3 cup of white wine. It adds flavor, but if you are cooking it for your little kids, then you can skip it. Mix it very well to combine and let the alcohol evaporate around 1 minute. After 1 minute, when you see all the alcohol evaporated, add in 1/4 cup of tomato sauce and a few pinches of salt or to your taste. Let's combine them very well. Looks gorgeous, and let it cook around 1 minute to have the delicious flavor from the tomato sauce. After 1 minute, I am going to mix it. Now I am going to add the shrimp stock that I made in my last video. Here is the link if you like to watch it now. The ratio I use is 1 cup of stock equal half cup of plain water to balance the flavor. If you like milder shrimp flavor, then use 1 cup of stock equal 1 cup of water. I use 2 cups stock and 1 cup water. In total, 3 cups liquid for 1 cup rice to make the juicy and creamy. Combine it very well and let it boil. If you want, turn the heat up to high until it boils. Depends on the heat. My one is still in medium-high heat. Now start to boil. Mix it quickly. Cover it and lower the heat to medium-low and let it cook 8 minutes. 8 minutes passed. Let's see. Looks good and juicy. Mix it and add in the shrimps. I'm keeping 3 shrimps to garnish. Combine them very well. Add coriander leaves, mix it. Looks delicious, juicy. The rice cooked to perfection. If you want, you can taste and adjust salt to your taste. But I know this one is perfect. Now let's turn off the gas and our shrimp rice is done. I'm going to transfer to a plate. Looks fantastic and the aroma is so good. I'm garnishing with those 3 shrimps. Look at the color of the shrimps. Gorgeous. Little bit coriander leaves. Sprinkle. Looks so beautiful. Have a close look. First bite with the shrimp. Oh my god, so good. So creamy and aromatic. Shrimp flavor is the top. So good.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, give a thumbs up, subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get the notification of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.